Hello friends, you have been experimenting with your leather crafting for a while and now you have your products at a certain level that you can comfortably present to friends and family and offer them to buy maybe. So what now? If you have ever dreamed of making a sale out of your leather work, this is the step that you're going to need to take some action and make some decisions. And if it is for you, I want to help you for you to take that step easier, as easy as possible. And at least this is what I've done and it turned out pretty good for me, so I'll try to lay it out here. Let's say you experimented with this design, it's a cup holder, and after a bunch of trials you're like, okay, this is good enough now, I can offer this for people to buy. How do you sell it? You have two virtual options. One is online and offline. You can go look for your local festivals, the art festivals, the craft supplies, the weekend farmers markets, to try to see if you can become a vendor there for a day or two if there's open spot, or maybe partner with another person who already has a stand there to get a taste of the market and what people think about your craft and your pricing. I tried that. I found that to be very cumbersome, time consuming. You need to go set up, be present there at the whole times. And I tried online options, which I found much more valuable, because everything you developed on the online world, that becomes an asset that works for you for 24 hours, 365. And what's the online route? That's the route that I recommend everybody who's trying to sell their leatherwork. Take the online route first, because you'll get the most productivity out of every effort you put into this. What do? You go open an Etsy account first. Etsy by far was the best option that I opened my store and made sales until today. You take your pictures, use your phone. You don't have to be a photographer or own a professional camera. You take best pictures as you can to your best ability using your phone, clean it up, represent your product, your craft as best as you can in the pictures, and with a short video in most platforms that allow and encourage you to make a video in today's world, to define your product. Then you write your description, highlight all the features about your leather, about your craftsmanship, about your technique, about the benefits of your products more than functions, and put the keywords. Do a little bit of keyword research. There's a lot of free tools on Google, and all those platforms help you develop those keyword research for you. Make your listing as best as you can, put your price on it, make sure you have enough room to cover your cost, your time to make it, calculate for shippings, returns, packaging, and all that stuff. But definitely give yourself enough room for this business to grow, because once you sell this one, you need to go buy another leather, make more of it, and all that stuff. Definitely have enough margin in mind when you're making these first listings. And Etsy is not the only platform. You can go open a shop on Amazon. You can get a Shopify website. If you're very handy in digital world, you can make your own website. You can start selling on your Instagram, Facebook accounts, or TikTok, in addition to these Etsy and Amazons. But believe me, Etsy and Amazon already has their crowds here shopping for these items, and you just offering your item in there is going to be the easiest route you can take. And after that, the whole point becomes listening to the response from the market. What your customer says, do they buy it? Do they love it? Do they leave you good reviews? And all that stuff will give you feedback in improving your leather craft, going for it in full force or not. You will learn the best from the customer once you start offering your products into the market. Hopefully this was helpful to get you started into selling part of your leather crafting journey. And if you find the content valuable, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so you get to learn the next steps, all the details of this selling process, making your listings, taking the pictures, the shipping the product, packing the product, how do you do customer service. We're going to make detailed content about all these steps in near future, so don't forget to hit that bell button so you get notified every time we post new content. Thank you.